Hey class, this is section 2.6 and we're talking about combinations of functions and composite of functions. But on this first video, we're just doing combinations. Okay, so this one really is very intuitive. You guys have already been doing this. Combination of functions, you are taking this sum, and a lot of times it's written this way, f plus g of x, and then you're going to add the two functions together. The difference, f minus g of x, multiplying fg, and divide f over g. And I'm going to show you what this looks like with these two functions. We have f of x equaling 2x minus 3 and g of x equaling x squared minus 1. So when we're saying f plus g of x, and you can rewrite it like this one, you're literally adding like terms. So it's going to be 2x minus 3 plus x squared minus 1, and then you simplify that out. So it'll be x squared plus 2x, and then you're adding the like terms together of this and this, so it'll be minus 4. If we do f of x minus g, it's the same type of thing where we're going to take 2x minus 3, but this time we're doing minus, and I'm putting this in parentheses because when you take the minus, it means that goes to both of these. We have to distribute that. So it's going to be 2x minus 3 minus x squared plus 1. So our final on this one would be negative x squared plus 2x minus 2 instead of minus 4. On this one, it's multiplying, so it'll be 2x minus 3 times x squared minus 1. You will use a box or FOIL that out. So that's going to be like this, 2x minus 3, x squared minus 1. This will be 2x to the third minus 3x squared minus 2x, and this will become a positive 3. There are no like terms, so we're just going to write them out. 2x to the third minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 3. And lastly, we're going to take 2x minus 3 and divide it by x squared minus 1. We could factor this out, and we need to do that because we have a domain restriction. Remember that anything in the denominator that is equal to 0, that would be undefined. So if I factor this, I can see that x cannot be 1 or negative 1. So we need to keep that in mind. And I can't reduce this at all. So that would be my final answer. I would just leave it in this format. So this next one, we're going to take these two functions, and we're going to find f plus g of x, and then we're going to plug in 3. So we're adding the two functions together. So 2x plus 1 plus x squared plus 2x minus 1. And it says when x is 3. So I can replace each of these x's already. So it'll be 2 times 3 plus 1 plus 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 1. So we got 6, 7 plus 9 plus 6 minus 1. That's going to be 14. So that should be 21.